In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wise customer support. If you need help with your Wise account, a transfer, or just want to find the right support option, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get from the Wise homepage to the contact support section in just a few clicks. To begin, open your browser and go to the Wise homepage. This is the main landing page for Wise, and it's the best place to start if you're trying to access account-related help. Make sure the page has fully loaded so all navigation options are visible before moving on. Once you're on the home page, look for the profile icon. This is usually located near the top area of the screen and gives you access to your account options and settings. Click the profile icon to open the account menu. If you're not already signed in, Wise may ask you to log in before showing certain support-related options, so be prepared for that. After the profile menu opens, find and click on Help. This section is where Wise groups together support resources, common questions, and account assistance tools. It's a useful place to start because it can guide you toward either self-service answers or direct support, depending on what you need. Once you're in the Help area, look for the Contact Us option and click it. This is the key step that takes you to Wise's customer support contact page. From there, you'll typically be able to see the available ways to reach support, which may vary depending on your issue, account status, or region. As a general tip, it helps to have the details of your issue ready before contacting support. For example, you may want to know which transfer or account feature you need help with so you can choose the most relevant support path more quickly. This can save time and help you get a more accurate response. And that's it. To contact Wise customer support, go to the Wise homepage, click the profile icon, open Help, and then select Contact Us. It's a straightforward process, and once you reach that page, you can continue with the support option that best matches your situation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find the right way to get in touch with Wise support.